Hello guys, you're welcome to this particular class again where we are going to be talking about forex market participant. And I hope that so far you have been enjoying the class and also you are understanding. Make sure you can replay back any other video if you've not understood. Make sure you understand properly well before you move to the next video. So today let's talk about forex market participants who trade forex alongside with you. So the first people that we are going to be mentioning here today is we are going to be talking about the central bank. The central bank is a major forex market participant, and the central banks has a greater role in maintaining monetary policies and much more. So the central banks of different economic regions or of different countries have this role to play in stabilizing exchange rate via different monetary policies, and they are very active in the market, and they have muchly regulatory rules to play. And you're going to see information about the central bank, like news where the central bank are going to be releasing on weekly basis or on monthly basis that will affect greatly the exchange rate of different currency pairs. So just know that this is one of the most active players in the foreign exchange market. The next person here we are going to be mentioning are the commercial banks. Commercial banks or other banks are very active in the foreign exchange market, and sometimes the banks themselves they trade, and also they are sometimes referred to as the market makers. Refers to as the market makers because they provide liquidity for the foreign exchange market. So these banks somehow are market maker at certain levels because they provide liquidity. So if a brokerage is called a market maker, it doesn't mean that the brokerage is a cheat. It definitely means that this brokerage might have enough money to provide liquidity like a bank. So at a certain point, trading with a brokerage that is a market maker somehow is even better because this brokerage will not be paying a bank for liquidity, charging you high, or trying to take your money, because he is already a liquidity provider, and it's very important to note this. The next set of people I'm going to be talking about here are companies. Many companies like hedge funds also trade forex. So these companies are there like fintechs. They have huge amount of money and they trade forex for profit. So this company or group of companies that also trade forex along with you have the main objective to make money from the foreign exchange market, and they have great amount of capital to invest. So companies also get themselves involved into forex trading. So we also have what we call institutional investors, much like fintechs and also like resemble like banks. Institutional investors are also a great part of the foreign exchange market, and these individuals, these guys, they have huge amount of money to trade on daily basis alongside with you. The next set of people that we're going to be talking about here are brokers. Brokers are a major forex exchange market participant because they provide services for forex for individual traders. So for us to trade forex, we need to pass through the brokerages, and the brokerages have links with these commercial banks, which are liquidity providers. So some brokerages get liquidity the um, from the commercial banks and other banks or other institutional structures. And the last group of people we are going to be talking about here are individuals. So you and I, individual like you and I, we are called retail traders. So retail traders, we are the smallest portion of the market and we have very little amounts to say. So retail traders like you and I, we need to actually follow the footprint of these institutions to trade. So we need to trade alongside the institutions. We need to know how to follow their footprints, the footprints of these commercial banks as well. So, and the only way, one of the only way to spot when these institutions and these commercial banks are trading is via volume. So volume will be one of the most important indicators that we are going to be using to spot when institutions are trading. So I believe that this has given you a clue about who are involved in the forex trading and their implications as well. So you should go through the notes as well to better understand this. And so before you start your forex trading journey, know that you are not into Forex alone. Also, governments also trade Forex to stabilize exchange rates. So you should know this as well. So when they talk about Forex, it's not just for you and I, it's not just for the layman, it's for banks, for big institutions, for big companies. So you are doing a multi-trillion-dollar asset business alongside very big companies. And that's why I always tell people Forex is a gold mine, because you can make so much money from this industry, because other participants of this industry are also very wealthy individuals. So make sure that you take your course very seriously, because you are going to be getting yourself involved into a high pay activity. So see you in the next video, where we'll be improving your knowledge on Forex bit by bit.